power cord. Now, there's always power cord for both your monitor and your system unit. So that's what gives power from the power socket. So normally, before you start working on any of your components, you need to turn off power. So while plugging in, there's some spark. Most times you see when you're plugging on, you see spark. So to avoid that, you just turn off. Then I'm gonna plug this one to this monitor and I'll come down and push it in. If you watch, there is a shape. There is a shape that is over here. So that shape should tally with the shape on the system here. Yeah, the shape should tally. If you watch, it should tally with the shape here. So when you push it in, it has stayed. Now you connect the VGA. Now VGA is actually what outputs the video that comes from here to the monitor for you to see. So this cable, VGA, allows you to see what is happening in the system. So, and the same thing has a shape too. So make sure that it tallies with the shape. And you plug it in. You push it in. It has screw. You can screw it with your hand, or if you find it not comfortable, you bring your screwdriver. You get the screwdriver. This guy has break our screwdriver. He's broken the screwdriver. I left it. This plus. You can use your finger to screw it, or use this thing to screw it. So when you're done, you screw it all the way through. So you lock it. So most sometimes your video, your display issue comes from yes. So when you are done, call him. Hello, sir. So when you are done screwing it, it's now ready. So you stand it. When you get to monitor, when I start talking about output, we always say deeper. There are different types of monitor screens. There are different types. The latest one is OLED, and those ones that are curved and those ones. So this one is actually LCD glass liquid. That's why if you see ink pours on it, you see one ink. So this one is liquid crystal display. It needs that liquid for it to light. But LED doesn't need liquid. That's why you see it when the thing cracks, you start seeing that line. So that's actually. Then you have, when you have connected that, the other power, you connect it to your system unit. This is actually what we are doing. This is the main computer itself. So this actually has different ports over here. So we'll be looking at, this is the VGA port that connects the monitor with the system. So I'm just trying to screw it tight, because most times when you notice it, really as if the monitor is not showing, it's long line because the thing has actually shifted or pulled out. So, but when you screw it, you are sure that it's intact, that nothing is. So now you have PCI. This is PCI, it's not. This is PC2. Now, olden days they actually use not USB. We use this kind of mouse. So this is for the keyboard, this is for the mouse, but it's not actually invoked now. So you just put it there. These are actually an O system. So then you have your USB ports. Then these are internet port for network. So in case you want to connect to network, the cable is there. Go open that door. You see it. Can bring it for you. The down. They check the down. You see some wires. Do you see them? Just bring one. Let me see the wire. White. I need white. The one that is shining white. One tiny wire that is white. Do you see it? Check on the first drawer. There's no white cable. No white. You leave it gone. So that's for the internet port. Then this one is for your speaker and microphone. So this is for actually speaker and microphone. Then this is actually for expansion slots. I mentioned it for those that have watched videos. I mentioned about expansion slots. So sometimes when most of all these devices fail or they don't work because they're on the motherboard, you can't change it. So you can buy like this sound card and plug on your motherboard. There's a slot on the motherboard that allows you to plug those components. Then it comes out here, so you can still use those cards. You just need to buy their card and plug. So when I open the system, let me open it so you see. But I then use the front of the system. So yeah, you almost have your DVD and CD. You plug the DVD. And most of all these cards are actually invoked. So must see outdated. You have your SD card in case you want to plug a memory card inside. Then these are actually different types of cards. Floppy disk, another card that are actually here. Then this is the power. Anywhere you see this 0 and 1, your binary works with 0 and 1. So that's what you usually identify power button. So if you watch, you see 0 by the corner. But if close finish, they see 1 in the middle. So that is telling you off and on. So anything, any electronic device you see that, just know that it's power button. Either on top or beside it. So you know that the power button is around. So I'll just turn it on, but it didn't turn on because I've not plugged the cable. So I'll come plug the power cable back. Now if you watch out over here, now this system was built actually should in case it's actually in 2 countries. Now when it comes to power voltage, the voltage UK use is different from the voltages US use. US use 120 to 140 volts. But British, which is what Nigeria is following, uses 220 to 240. So you see the voltage difference. So if you carry a component, a voltage, this power pack now has a voltage that you can use to work in the 2 countries. So you can switch between 120 and 240. So if you use low voltage, which is 120, and plug on this system, you can't carry a component. But if you use 240 volts and plug on a 120 volt system, you are going to fry the motherboard. But the power is too low. So if you watch here, you see that the thing is set to 220 and 230 volt, which is normal. So you now plug your power. Okay? And when you are done plugging, you on your system, your power. So you see it comes up, this one comes up. So, but now this one is connected, this one is connected. So what do? You need to on our system. So you see on it. So it's now on. So this light has come up, meaning that it's coming up. So look at it. So now this is actually BIOS setting. Telling you about something. But you see there's a warning it's giving. What's the warning? The chassis has been opened. Press F1 to continue. What is the chassis? So if you check chassis is talking about the cover has been opened. Now, based on its own system, they did this system in a way that it has sensor inside. So if the chassis is open, if it doesn't work well, it will not contact it. It will show that error. So to avoid that error. So, but based on we know that everything is okay, it's closed. We just press F1. This one is connected to USB, so I'll connect this one to USB. Let's see, it brings light, so our keyboard is connected. So I'll just press F1. Supposed to connect. And then so I just want to on it first to see that it's working. You see one mouse, 5 storage devices. It's showing you devices connected. One mouse, 1 keyboard, 5 storage devices connected. So it's working on Windows 10 is installed. So I'm gonna shut down, open the system, remove everything you see. I'll just like we call it disable. So I'll disable the system. And you see how everything works, explaining each and every one components of it. Miss Sama, come here. So you see that it's coming ready. So when it's off, I'll just shut down.
There's no force here. It's all.
No, system. No, come closer. Are you scared of the system? Come closer. I'm scared. Something will shock you. So we have is a power bank. We talked about the PCU that supply power. And this component has different voltages. You see, there's some power that is supplying. We have power is supplying to the hard drive. This one has a voltage sensed to the hard drive. So you see, this one is supplying to the DVD drive that is provided to. Supplying to the DVD drive. Then now this is the starter cable. That actually connects the hard drive to the motherboard. Same as this one. So we use the starter drive. Starter hard disk. That was showing starter. So this was the cable he was complaining something about. So that connects to the motherboard. So that is why your system, you can see it drives connected to the motherboard. Is you understood? And you have this is your cooling fan. Then under it is your heat sink. The heat sink sucks the heat. Then the fan blows it out. Then you have under fan. So okay, this one doesn't have one, this is only one fan, but there are some that has two that blows it out. So now this is the PCI slot I was telling you about. That's where you connect it and you eject this out. So this is where you connect it. That's where you pull it out. So this when you pull it out, you can now be able to add those components from here that will be coming out in case. So that's that. Then now if you want to actually remove your components here, the first thing to remove is actually I'm gonna be unplugging some devices. So what I'll do is the power pack itself. So the power pack, that's what I'll plug. So the way to unplug, you just come here and press this clip here. Press this clip, lift it up. This is the clip. Now I'll remove the other one. Now I can now remove my RAM. So this is the RAM that is connected. So you just press the two sides out. You see the RAM came out by itself. Then you pull it out. So looking at this RAM, you see that this is 2 gig RAM PC3. DDR3. 2 gig RAM DDR3 RAM. Yeah, the speed is 12800. That is good. So that's how you move your RAM. So you can actually do the same one, the same way too. You do the same thing. Then you put it outside. You just move it. If you want to put it back, you just push it in. Enters. You see, the thing about what I said, I didn't come and start pressing here. You just push it in. It locks. So that's how the RAM works. Then this is your heat sink. Your CPU is under your heat sink. You understand? Then this is the hard drive. The hard drive can come out. Here you can plug in the power for the hard drive. Then this is the data. there is no much actually this system. So that is actually all you need to do. And here is actually the port for the starter. You can plug more about 4 drives to this motherboard. You see the CMOS battery that stores the time and date. And some of the CMOS battery that stores the time and date. And most of all these components you see here, this white cable is actually the ones that connect to the power. So if you remove this cable now, you can't on the system from here. They are connected to the power switch. And the other one is some of them are actually USB or if you watch it, you trace it, this one goes to the USB port here over here. You change it, it goes to the RAM. So these are the ones that connect to the RAM in the case. You understand? Now, for the engineering code, there's what they call north bridge and south bridge. This is north bridge, this is south bridge. South bridge is actually like a processor, microprocessor, that controls every component that is plugged to the system, like the USB drives. If you want, that is what manages the drive. It's closer to the drives. So it's one that manages the ones that come from the drive. While the north bridge is one that is in charge of the component, the clock speed, and then the drives that are connected like RAM. That's why you see it's closer to the RAM and the drives that are actually here. Is there understood? Is there any question?
Where the floppy?
These are not really floppy. There are some old systems that have floppy. But this one have provision for different SSD. That you can plug SSD. You are seeing different SSD types. This one doesn't have space for floppy. And this is the DVD drive. Is there understood? You have a question? Ask. You have a question? Ask. You have a question?
I actually know that they had this.
Is there any other thing you don't know about?
Now, but if there's no floppy disk, if there's floppy disk, this SSD
Yes, it is. But as floppy disk is actually 154 MB. So we need it more when you are looking at